Now let's solve this problem without using trigonometric tables. Evaluate. Secant 29 degree divided by cosecant 61 degree plus 2 into cot 8 degree into cot 17 degree into cot 45 degree into cot 73 degree into cot 82 degree minus 3 sin square 38 degree plus sin square 52 degree. Now look at this. 29 plus 61, we will get 90. So this secant 29 degree I can replace in the form of secant 90 degree minus theta. That is, when 90 degree minus 61, we will get 29 degree. Right? Therefore, this secant 29 degree, I will write it as 90 degree minus 61 degree divided by cosecant 61 degree. Okay? Plus 2. Now, let us do the group. For this 82, if we add 8, we will get 90. So, this one and this one, I will make one group and I will write together. Okay? That is cot 8 degree into cot 82 degree. Now, this 17 degree and this 73 degree, when we will add, we will get 90. Therefore, these two I will make one group. That is cot 17 degree into cot 73 degree. Which is left here? Cot 45 degree. I will write here cot 45 degree minus 3 sin square 38 degree plus sin square 52 degree. Now look at this sin square. This one 38 degree, I can write it as 90 minus 52. What we will get? 38. Right? Therefore, this 38 degree, I will replace it as 90 degree minus 52 degree plus sin square 52 degree. Okay? Now, secant 90 degree minus theta is what? Cosecant theta. We know that secant 90 degree minus theta is what? Cosecant theta. Therefore, here secant 90 degree, in the place of theta we have 61. Therefore, I can write it as cosecant 61 degree. Right? This one I will write it as cosecant 61 degree divided by cosecant 61 degree. Plus say 2. Now this 8 degree I can write it as 90 minus 82 is what? 8. Therefore this 8 degree I will write it as cot 90 degree minus 82 degree. Okay? Into cot 82 degree, let me write as it is. Cot 82 degree. Now this cot 17 degree, I can write it as 90 minus 73. 90 degree minus 73 degree is what? 17 degree. Therefore, this cot 17 degree, I will write it as cot 90 degree minus 73 degree. Okay? Into cot 73 degree, let me write as it is. Into cot 45 degree. Into cot 45 degree. Minus 3. We know that sin 90 degree minus theta. Sin 90 degree minus theta is what? Cos theta. Right? In the same way, sin square 90 degree minus theta is what? Cos square theta. Here we have sin square 90 degree minus 52 degree. So I can write it as cos square 52 degree, right? So this one I will write it as cos square 52 degree. Cos square 52 degree plus sin square 52 degree. Now look at the problem. Cosecant 61 degree, cosecant 61 degree, it will get cancelled. Now it is 1 plus 2. We know that cot 90 degree minus theta is what? Tan theta, right? Cot 90 degree minus theta is what? Tan theta. Here we have cot 90 degree. In the place of theta, we have 82 degree. Therefore, I can write it as tan 82 degree. This cot 90 degree minus 82 degree, I will write it as tan 82 degree. Into cot 82 degree into again cot 90 degree minus theta is what? Tan theta. Here in the place of theta we have 73. So I can write it as tan 73 degree. Then cot into cot 73 degree into cot 45 degree minus 3 cos square 52 degree plus sin square 52 degree. We know the formula. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, right? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Here we have cos square 52 degree plus sin square 52 degree. It is what? 1. Because theta is same. That is 1. Okay. Now 1 plus 2 into tan 82 degree cot theta, it is the reciprocal of tan theta, right? Now let me repeat once again. Cot theta, it is the reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore this cot 82 degree, I can write it as 1 by tan 82 degree. Okay. Into tan 73 degree. Again, cot theta, it is the reciprocal of tan theta. Therefore, this cot 73 degree, I can write it as 1 by tan 73 degree into cot 45 degree minus 3 into 1 is 3. Now see here, tan 82 degree cancel. Tan 73 degree cancels. What is left? 1 plus 2. Here 2 into cot 45 degree. Okay, it is in the multiplication. Observe carefully. Minus 3. 1 plus 2 into cot 45 degree. Now we have to use the trigonometric table. In the trigonometric table, the value of cot 45 degree is 1. Okay. Therefore, this cot 45 degree, I will write it as 1 minus 3. That is 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2 minus 3. What we will get? Is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 minus 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancels. 0 is the answer. Here they have given us not to use the trigonometric table, But to solve this problem, here we are using the trigonometric table. Remember this. Hope you have understood. Thank you.